In this video, I'll show you how to join Louis Vuitton affiliate program. It is a straightforward and clearly described in this video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so Louis Vuitton is one of the biggest fashion and luxury brands in the world. And as of the moment though, I hate to break it to you that Louis Vuitton doesn't currently have its own affiliate program, but there are multiple ways to work around on that, and that's what we're going to discuss. So I went to two articles here, okay, which is I went here in LinkedIn. So shout outs to Kalsiraya Tushar, freelancer who wrote a very in-depth article about Louis Vuitton affiliate program. All right, so this may come as a disappointment, as I've said earlier, to some affiliate markets because Louis Vuitton is a high traffic brand and they don't have an affiliate programs. But however, there are a number of alternative affiliate programs that offer similar products and opportunities. Right, so number one in our list, right, it's Farfetch. Basically, Farfetch is a global luxury fashion platforms that connects with boutiques and brands around the world, okay? And then there's also Yux. Yux is basically here is an online fashion retailer that offers a curated selection of clothing, footwear, and accessories from renowned designers. Affiliates can benefit from Yux's global reach and opportunity to promote a wide array of luxury brands. Their affiliate program provides competitive commissions and marketing support. And also, there's a luxury garage sale. Luxury garage sale is a unique platform that specializes in curated collections of pre-owned luxury fashion terms or items. If you're interested in sustainable fashion or helping others find rare vintage pieces, this affiliate program might be a great fit. And while commissions may vary, the demand for luxury resale continues to grow. Now, next one is the fashion. So here, it's a trusted platform for buying and selling pre-owned luxury handbags and accessories. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn commissions by referring customers interested in purchasing authentic luxury items. And next one on the list is Net-a-Porter. Net-a-Porter is a well-known online luxury fashion retailer catering to women, and their affiliate program offers an opportunity to earn commissions on high-end fashion sales. Also, there's Mr. Porter, okay? Similarly, it's an online destination for men's luxury fashion, offering a wide range of clothing, accessories, and grooming products. Okay, so again, though Louis Vuitton does not have an affiliate program, there are plenty of alternatives you have to choose from. All right, so I suggest you go here at this article and LinkedIn, and I'll put the description on the link. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.